Hey guys, in my last video we looked at changing the width of a table using the width attribute, and also increasing the number of rows or columns of a specific cell using column span or row span, which you can see over here, ingredients and California roll. This has 3 columns and this has 2 rows. Now in this tutorial is going to be, which is going to be my last video on tables in HTML, which might be good news for you because some of you might think this is a really boring part of HTML, which I understand, but it's still good to know. In this video I will be talking about cell padding and cell spacing. Now cell padding and cell spacing is 2 similar things, however if you look at them they're quite different. I'll use my first table for cell spacing and my second table for cell padding so you can see the difference between the two. Now for both cell spacing and cell padding we are going to add the HTML attribute into our start tag of our table tag. So this is my start table tag for my first table, this one. So after my width I am going to type with what do I type again? Cell padding equals and a number. Now let's say 5 for example, and save it and refresh. There we go. Cell padding increases the area between the table border inside each of the cell and the text itself. So if I have no cell padding, it looks like this, but if I have cell padding of 5 it looks like this. And let's change that to 10, refresh. Now we have a bigger space between the text and the cell wall border. Yeah, let's leave it at 5 and refresh. That's good. Yeah, it looks much spacier and free compared to this squashed look of my second table. Now let's look at cell spacing. These two are really easy. It's just really simple. Now give it some space. This is my start tag table tag for my second table. Now for cell, which one was it? I did cell padding, so cell spacing. For cell spacing all you need to do is write cell spacing equals and then a specific number. Let's write 5 again. Now save your work and refresh. Now what cell spacing does is increase the space between the 2 adjacent walls, borders within the table. So let's make it bigger so that it's easier to see. Let's just type 15. Oh, that's my phone going. And refresh. It's just a Facebook chat. That's okay. Now that's more clear to see. The text, the area, the space between the text and the wall surrounding the text doesn't change. That's for cell padding, but for cell spacing, the area or the space between the wall of the border of each cell, so the border of name of sushi and the border of ingredients, as well as the space between the border of each cell and the surrounding border of the table changes. So that's cell spacing. Let's give it a cell spacing of 5 because 15 is a bit too much. That looks okay. I much prefer to use cell padding than cell spacing, but then again we could use both to make it look better. So that was a quick video on how to customize your HTML table using cell spacing and cell padding. In my next video, I will talk about lists in HTML. Thank God we're finished with tables for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.